I'm going to use my bidet now, and you can watch. I don't have a washing machine. I normally go to this miserable woman down the road. Luckily, I have this travel wash. I've been carrying that around for 2 years. Superman! I'll tell you what I've discovered that I didn't realise. There's actually a homeless person sleeping right over there. Washing up here is different. First of all, you get the sponge and you put the washing up liquid on the actual sponge. You put the water on a little bit, not too much, and then when you wash up, so you wash with a soapy sponge and then rinse it as you go along, like that, yeah? Now, at first, this seems pretty genius. Yeah, you think, wow, this is a really good idea. But eventually, you come to realise that it's not. What happens is this sponge accidentally goes under the water or gets wet so many times that it loses the soap really quickly. So you end up having to refill it 3 or 4 times when you're washing up. So you actually use more washing up liquid. At first I thought it probably used less water. All the time that you're scrubbing something with soap, the water's just pouring out of the tap and not being used. So unless you keep turning off the tap and turning on the tap again, you actually use a lot of water. Now, they actually put like lathering stuff, I don't know what it is, inside washing up liquid so that when it's in water, you get all the soap bubbles. And if you're not going to put it in water, you miss out on all the soap bubbles. So, nah, you can keep it. I don't like it. I don't like washing up here. Fucking disgusting. Is that it's vinegar. Shit, man, I didn't read it. It's vinegar. It's supposed to be oil. I'll find a use for it. It's good cleaning product. Cleans glass. Excellent. Oh my god, I can clean the balcony. That is the grime of Buenos Aires. The homeless guy is still here across the way. I really feel for him. I'm just quite happy reading the newspaper. So I need some newspaper because it's the best way to clean the glass without smearing. And are you thinking what I'm thinking? I totally did it. I did it. he actually said, oh, it's old, because obviously he thought I wanted to read it. I said, no, it's okay, I just need to clean the glass. Yeah, anyway, that was fun. This is mopping, Latin American style. I like my balcony, but it's also a cage. Sometimes I walk to the shop and then I walk back again without going in. Because we're not allowed to exercise here. We're not allowed to exercise outside. We've got to exercise inside. And they're continuing the quarantine until the middle of April.
Ustedes saben que en Iguazú hay una concentración importante de argentinos que ingresaron por ese puesto fronterizo.